Most people think getting hacked is rare until one day their Instagram is gone, their bank account is empty, or someone is using their photos online. And the scary part, most hacks happen because of all small mistakes. So today, I'll show you 5 super simple things you can do to protect yourself online. No technology needed. Hey guys, welcome back to cybersecurity series where I explain everything in super simple words. Last time we talked about cyber threats. Today, let's talk about something more important. How to actually protect yourself. First, stop using weak passwords. If your password is your name, your birthday, 123456 or password, please change it. Use letters, numbers, symbols. Example, instead of Mehek123, try M3HEK exclamation 2026. And most importantly, don't use the same password everywhere, because if one app gets hacked, all your accounts become easy targets. Second, turn on two-factor authentication. This sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple. When you log in, you get an OTP or approval on your phone. So even if someone knows your password, they still can't enter. You can turn this on for Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp, banking apps. This one step alone can save your accounts. Third, don't click everything. Not every link is safe. If you get messages like you won a prize, your account will close, click here urgently, stop. Take 5 seconds and think. Does this even make sense? Because hackers want you to panic fast. And remember, banks never ask for OTPs. Fourth, be careful with public Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi sounds amazing, but it can be very dangerous. Avoid logging into bank apps, making payments, entering passwords on public Wi-Fi. If possible, use your mobile data instead. 5. Download apps carefully. Not every app on the internet is safe. Only download apps from Play Store or Apple Store. And before installing, check reviews, ratings, and permissions. If a calculator app asks for camera, contacts, or microphone, that's very suspicious. So, to stay safe online, use strong passwords, turn on two-factor authentication, avoid suspicious links, and be careful with public Wi-Fi. Simple habits, but they protect you a lot. Cybersecurity is not only for hackers or tech people. It's for everyone who uses a phone, social media, or the internet. Because today, your digital life is part of your real life. Protect it. If this video helped you, share it with someone who still clicks on random links. And follow for more simple cybersecurity videos.